Welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna draw male character damage. So just starting off with the circle. Take your time with it. Don't have to be perfect. And he gonna be like tilted to the right a little bit. So I'm bringing down the center line like I normally do, but you will see he will be facing kind of like at an angle. So start, dropping in the jawline right here, coming across. And then start on the next side now. And you're basically following the same thing we do on the right side. Just adjusting the paper right there. Right, starting with the neck now. Just pretty simple, two lines down and just a little indication of the shoulder. Now going on to the ears. Right, and then do the same one on the next side. Alright, and right a little bit above it, you draw a straight line coming across. There's the indication for the eyes. So start like, sketching that in. Now move over to the next side. And alright, now by center line, you come down, you draw the nostril and a little curving line going up for the nose itself. And then coming across, you'll be showing a little bit of teeth, so just drop that in and a little bit of shadow underneath, indication for the bottom of your lip. On top now, just sketching the eyebrows. And this other eyebrow will be kind of tilting downwards. So it's kind of like he kind of angry, but not really. It's more like he confused. So for the eyes, you raise there, you kind of like cut it in half a little bit. And you kind of like draw that line curving upwards right there. Because it's kind of like, he bruised, like somebody hit him in the eye, and it kind of closed. When somebody get hit and that tense up and just swelled up, they can't open the eye fully. So, just adding the eye and the pupil right there. Now back to the other side. This eye will be regular, because that is the part where, the person then, strike him in the face. So just lightly sketching the eyes, add a little dot for the pupil. Right, just erasing a little bit. And you see right there, you'll make a kind of C curve right at the mouth and then go by the side of the jaw right there. So it's showing a little bit of puffiness. And now lightly erase the ears. Coming back and fixing the shape up a little bit. Cause it was looking a little bit wonky. Adding some details. Right, and now coming in, just adding some details for the inside of the ears. Yeah, and I know ears could be a little tricky sometime, but don't worry about that. I'll have a video probably in the future concerning ears. Right, just cleaning up some lines. Right, now going to back to the eyebrows, yeah, go on like really just follow the shape of your eyebrows just to add a little bit of thickness. Right, now for the hairline, slightly above the the eyebrows coming in. And now, and once again, I love, for some reason I've been addicted to just drawing like these characters with that slight widow's peak type hairstyle. I don't know what it is, but just like that. Right, and for this character though, you don't even have to worry about any type of hair or anything like this. He have hair, but it's like he have a low haircut. So his, that would basically be the circular shape he made before would be, the his hair. Right, now go back to the nose, add a little bit of shadow underneath. A little bit of shadow to the eyes. Now to the other eyes. Now darken up the top of the eyelid. Right, now by the bottom of the lip, you're going to do these type of like dash shapes with blood. And that's where the fun comes in. You keep doing these like hash marks, little short dashes for like that will indicate like damage. You'll see that a lot in like what you call it, like some animes and stuff like that when the character get beat up. Alright, just darkening up some areas. Alright, now start erasing the guidelines you made earlier, guys. And once again, as usually say, just take your time with it. Lightly tap. If it's like a harder line to get out, erase hard if you need to. Alright. So just like that. Just fix up, the side of the sideburns. Now fixing up the hairline right there. Alright. Just adding a little details for the collarbone. Alright, and now start shading in the eyebrows. Now do that to the other one. And now you're going to hold your pencil at an angle, right? And start like shading in the hair. Right? So just grab it, turn the pencil if you need to. I probably might have a video in the future as well, probably dealing with shading. But for this, if it does get a little bit messy, but take your time. Try to stay in the lines. Try to follow the motion I doing. You know what I mean? So right there, it really helps you like cover a lot of surface area. Right. And plus, due to like what I actually drawing on it, the surface I drawing on, it kind of giving the actual shade and that type of texture, and I just think that kind of works. But yeah, just fix up the head a little bit. erase the collarbone and kind of like drop it a little slightly lower, because like I find that was too high up, so just do that. Right, you know, just fine tuning stuff, you know what I mean? Right, and just, you know, knock out some more of the guidelines that still visible if you have any. And now looking at his face, he probably like, what? You know what I mean? He looks so confused. But just erase, you know, guys. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And I hope to see you on the next one. Right, see ya.